Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share my struggle to overcome vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is today's common concern. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, meaning that it does not dissolve in water and is absorbed best in your bloodstream when paired with high fat food. It can help to prevent a variety of illness such as depression, diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. First, I will talk about the common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. First symptom, you can have obesity. You may gain your weight unexplainedly. Second symptom people may experience is fatigue. You may feel tiredness and low energy. Third symptom people may experience bone pain due to calcium deficiency, since vitamin D helps to absorb calcium from blood. The weakness of bone may strain your muscles and you may feel muscle pain. Next symptom is in the form of mental illness. You may have depression. You can also experience thinning hair because of extreme hair loss. Now I will share my struggle to overcome vitamin D deficiency. I had very severe knee pain and fatigue. I thought it is because of varicose veins. So I consulted a vascular surgeon. He instructed to do color Doppler for both legs and blood tests like ESR, CRP, RA factor, and anti-CCP. I have done all the tests but everything was normal, so doctor prescribed a tablet for 1 month to have proper blood circulation. Afterwards, I consulted an orthologist. He instructed to check vitamin D and I was diagnosed with vitamin D deficiency. So doctor suggested to take vitamin D supplements and follow healthy diet. Here I am going to tell you the simple diet I followed to overcome my vitamin D deficiency. First vitamin D rich food came to my list was fatty fish. I had been eaten salmon, tuna, mackerel, etc. Dairy products became part of my daily diet. They contain several vitamins and minerals. I had taken soya milk and tofu at least once in a week. Here I suggest you, if you are a woman, please don't take too much of soya product because it may affect your hormones. Oats was my next food item. It is very nutritious and rich in antioxidants and fiber. Orange juice, it contains vitamin C, which can help the body to absorb vitamin D. Eggs are considered as one of the healthiest food in the world. They contain multivitamins, protein, and unique antioxidants. Mushroom. It is an edible fungus that can provide several important nutrients. Mushrooms are loaded with protein, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin D, etc. Along with this healthy diet, you need to do exercises in a regular basis and expose sunlight. These two things are important as your diet. If you follow this, you can overcome your vitamin D deficiency. For me, it took almost 6 months to overcome the deficiency. Thank you. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe.